In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the No Internet Secured error in Windows 11. If you've encountered this frustrating issue that disrupts your browsing and connectivity, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get your internet back up and running smoothly. First, we need to open the network settings. Start by clicking on the search icon in your taskbar and typing View Network Connections. This will lead you to a window where all your network adapters are listed. Once you're there, find your internet adapter. Go ahead and right-click on it, then select Properties from the drop-down menu. This opens a new window that contains several options for your adapter's settings. In the window that pops up, you'll see a list of items. Ensure that Internet Protocol version 4, also known as IPv4, is selected. This is crucial because most internet connections still rely on this protocol for communication. If IPv4 is not selected, check the box next to it. Next, while still in the IPv4 section, click on Properties. A new window will appear where you can adjust some essential settings. Here, you should select the option that says Obtain an IP address automatically, and do the same for DNS server address. These settings allow your computer to automatically retrieve the necessary IP and DNS settings from your router, which can help resolve connectivity issues. After you've done that, click OK and then Close to save your changes and exit out of all the open windows. Now, give your internet connection a moment to refresh and see if it's up and running again. If, however, you're still facing issues, don't worry. There's another method you can try. Head over to your computer's settings, and once there, navigate to the Network and Internet section. In this area, you'll find Advanced Network Settings. Click on it to delve deeper into more intricate network options. Within the Advanced Settings, you'll spot Network Reset. This tool is a powerful option that resets all network configurations, effectively giving your computer a clean slate in terms of its network settings. Click on Network Reset, and you'll see an option to reset now. Selecting this option may resolve persistent issues by returning settings to their defaults. Now, keep in mind that this step will require you to reconnect to your networks afterward, so be prepared to have your Wi-Fi credentials at hand. Once you reset the network, your computer will restart. After it comes back on, check if your internet is working again. Follow these steps, and you should find that your No Internet Secured issue is resolved, making your online experience smooth once more. Thanks for watching.